Struggling to get a clear picture of your finances? Do you have money in multiple bank accounts, a credit card or two, maybe a savings account, and you're tired of logging into each one just to see where you stand? Well, Rocket Money is the perfect solution, and it all starts with linking your bank accounts. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple, secure process of connecting all your financial institutions to the Rocket Money app so you can start seeing your complete financial picture in one place. First, you'll want to open the Rocket Money app on your phone. From the home screen, you'll see a section for your accounts. You might have one or two accounts already listed, but to get the full benefit, we'll want to add more. Tap on the plus icon or the option that says Add Institution or Link a New Institution. This will take you to a search bar where you can type in the name of your bank or credit union. Once you find your institution, tap on it. You will then be prompted to log in using the same username and password you use for your bank's online portal. Don't worry, Rocket Money uses a secure third-party service to connect with your bank, and your login credentials are never stored on their servers. They only receive read-only access to your transaction data, so your money is always safe. After you enter your credentials, your bank might ask for a security code or a second form of authentication, just like they would if you were logging in on a new device. Enter that code, and you're all set. The app will begin to sync your account data, which might take a few moments. Once it's done, you'll see your account balance and recent transactions appear right in the Rocket Money app. You can repeat this process for all of your other financial accounts, whether it's a high-yield savings account, a credit card from a different bank, or even an investment account. The more accounts you link, the more powerful Rocket Money becomes, giving you a comprehensive overview of your net worth, spending habits, and subscriptions. It's the first and most important step to taking control of your financial